Hi, my name is Favor. Welcome to my channel. Today we have a FabFitFun style box. This is a clothing subscription service box. Clothing subscription service through FabFitFun. I think most of us are familiar with FabFitFun's lifestyle box. I love my lifestyle box from FabFitFun. This is a clothing subscription box. It works very much the same way as all the other ones out there. They will send you 5 pieces. There's a styling fee. In this case, I believe it's $20. $20. And now we have the information on how to get this box. So you do have to be, thanks to some of my subscribers, they were able to get this information. You do have to be a FabFitFun lifestyle box member. You do have to subscribe to that box, and you can request this box. Also, at add-ons this past spring, add-ons are items you can add to your seasonal subscription box through FabFitFun. There was an option to choose this box, so you might look for that. Coming up, FabFitFun has their spring edit. In fact, it starts this week, April 2nd. It's a sale where they sell items on their website at a discounted price. I'll be curious to see if this box is available there, so you might check it out and see. But if not, watch for this box to become available. If you are a FabFitFun subscriber to their box, to their lifestyle box, my goodness, which, you know, you get makeup and fitness items and things like that, that type of box, subscription box. Watch for that in the summer selection when it comes time for you to be able to choose certain items out of your box for summer. Let's see if this box is available then. So there we go. Okay, so there's that. You can email them at style@fabfitfun.com. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here's the inside of this box. I get this box once a month. I pay the $20 styling fee. And again, this one is via FedEx. So, is it still FedEx? Yes, it's still FedEx. So anything you don't want or anything you need to send back or exchange, and they have done exchanges for me, you put in this envelope, and you will need to take it to a FedEx location. So that's important to note about this one. And here we go. This is my note from my stylist and my invoice right here. We'll look at the invoice in just a minute. I'm going to read my note very quickly. They do send you a nice detailed note. They're typically long, and they have lots of information in them. So take the time to read your note. Okay, so Ingrid, this is a new name for me. So she must be new. I'm very excited. So I can't wait to see everything she talked about in here. So FabFitFun does have an all products discount, so 25% discount if you purchase everything in the box. This looks interesting. Okay, so, oh wow, okay. There's that side and that side. This is my color palette, gray, blue. This is like a taupe color. This is nice, and it has FabFitFun style on the sticker. Open this up. Oh, what a pretty top, wow. Oh, that's just my style. Now, I'm not a big fan of the tie in the front. That's just not my thing, but everything else about this top I really like. I love the color. I don't know, I might could get past the tie. I don't know, we'll see. It really is pretty. This is a medium. This is by Lip Slide. Amber flutter sleeve bow tie top. Description size medium in mint. $48. This is a FabFitFun style. Lip Slide. Interesting. That's very interesting. It's so pretty, so delicate. I do think that's beautiful. Okay, so there's one. This is a shirt back sweater by Fate in a medium. Oh, I see. Okay, all right. So the front, it has the attached like shirt underneath. It's like a line. It's like it's lined, but it's not. It's not full through. And the back is the crisscross in the back. This is a lightweight, soft sweater. It's very, very soft. Great for a transition from summer to spring, from winter to spring, as my note said. Especially here in Texas, it's kind of chilly today. I actually really like this. This actually would be a nice sweater even for our fall here into winter, because it doesn't get super cold here, but maybe January and February we may get some colder days. So this is a nice piece to bring you into those. It'd be nice with a pair of white jeans or burgundy. I have some burgundy jeans that would look great with. Okay, so next, oh, this is a leather trim top. It's a tank. Wow, this is kind of heavy. It feels heavy. Interesting. It's a little cropped. I'm not sure how I feel about that. This is the Cortez top, size medium, color black, $42. It is a leather trimmed top. Interesting. It is pretty. I'm not sure I would ever wear this, but I do like it. It's by Fate in a size medium. Interesting, but I can see why she sent it. Look at these pants. These are super cute. Super cute pants. I like this. What is that? It's not houndstooth. What is that? Plaid. They are pull-on. They're stretchy. They're a size medium. They're Margaret M. Let's see. Does it say here? It's plaid Marley straight leg pant. Let's see. Margaret M. Slimming pant. And these are medium. Let's see. The fabric has been specially treated for softness, washability, and increased resistance. Made with pride for your comfort and active lifestyle. These are $89. Oh, it's so expensive. They do have a flat. Is this a faux pocket? Yeah, it's a faux pocket on the back, but that's fine. It keeps things nice and flat. There is a little pencil pocket, or coin pocket here in the front. Maybe you can put your key fob in there if you need to. Super cute. I actually really like those. We'll have to try those. I can't wait to try those. So, and then here is a really soft sweater. Oh my goodness. This is unbelievably soft, but it's one of those draped front open knit cardigans. Draped front cardigans either look okay on me, either they look good or they look terrible. It just depends upon the cardigan. My goodness, this is soft. Oh, nice. It's got a roll sleeve here. It's like an unfinished hem here on the edge, but it's kind of rolled. That's nice. It's really pretty. Super soft. This is called Dreamers. This is in a small medium, drape front open knit cardigan, small medium black, $49. Oh, it's so soft. So soft. Oh, I really like that. Seriously, unbelievably soft. Okay, so let's look at the care instructions, because sometimes these start off really soft and then you wash them and they're soft no more. So let's see. Okay. Cotton and rayon, about 50-50. Hand wash with cold water. Do not bleach. Color separate. Hang or line dry. Yeah, that's kind of the problem. You hang or you line dry them and then they're crunchy. And you kind of have to fluff them up a little bit in the dryer or a little bit, I don't know. But I do like it. It's very soft. So, okay. There we go. Now, you've seen me try everything on. Now, I'm going to go try everything on and we'll be right back for the recap. Okay, so unfortunately, this box was a bit of a miss. It was more a fit issue than anything else. So the first item was this cute top. It is super cute. It's too small. It fits sort of, but not really. It would fit me eventually. I am losing weight, down 17 pounds, but I don't really want to buy something in the hopes that it'll fit me in a month or so. No, this one's going to go back. And I'm not crazy about the tie in the front anyway. So that's fine. Okay, and so the next item was, I don't remember what we went to next. Let's go with this. This is actually cute. I like this. It's heavy though. It feels heavy. It's got a heaviness to it. This is by Fate. Cortez top. It's cute, but I'm just not sure I would ever actually reach for it. I don't know. I do have some some white jeans, and I have some shoes over here that would probably look really cute with. I don't know. I'm gonna have to see. Let me get you those shoes. I just think, you know, this with white jeans and my super cute shoes here. I don't know. I might actually keep it. It is cropped, but it's not super cropped. It's not that short kind of top. And I don't know. I have been looking for solid black tops to go with my white jeans so I could wear those shoes. Okay, so that's $42, and with my $20 styling fee, it just brings it to $22. So these pants, I actually like them, but they don't fit properly. They're too big in the like crotch area, like huge. They're too long. So, and if I pull them up, then they're too big. So I kind of have to pull them down around my hips to fit. No. But they were good length. They sort of flared at the ankle a little bit, not too much, which wasn't bad. And my thighs, I have big thighs. I'm a runner. I just have bigger thighs. And they just didn't look great on my thighs. I think the pattern was just too much for my thighs. So there's that. And this sweater, you know what? I would have kept this. I absolutely would have kept it. I think it's cute. It puffs up in the back. I don't know what that's about. The front is really cute, nice, lightweight. We're going to Alaska in just a few weeks. So this would have been a perfect sweater to bring with me, but it puckers and puffs up in the back. It's kind of funny. So I don't want to be fussing with that all day long. So that's a no. And this is a no for me. It's too long. And they typically are. And I just don't like the flappy front. That's just not something I like. But it's super soft. And if you're taller than me, this would look really good on you. You know, I didn't try it on with any jeans, and I forgot to put it on when I had the pants on with the other top. But no, not at $49. It's super soft and super comfortable, but it would be a sweater I only wore in my home because it's too long. So there we go. Okay, so that's everything. So I think all I'm gonna do is end up keeping is the Cortez top with the little leather trim to wear with white jeans and my cute little shoes here. And it was comfortable. It was a heavier shirt, so it was, you know, there was some weight to it. So it might not be one I want to wear like on a hot summer day. So even though it's sleeveless. So there we go. Okay, well there you go. FabFitFun Style really is a great box. I've picked up some great pieces from them, and I hope you'll give them a try. You can certainly email them. You can certainly try and get on if you have a subscription to their lifestyle box. So, but I'll leave everything linked below. I'll leave you the email. I'll leave you my link to FabFitFun, but it, I believe, is to the subscription box. It's not to the clothing subscription box. So, you know, I just leave you a link straight to FabFitFun if you'd like. So there you go. If you get some sort of discount. I think it's $15 if you use my link. But honestly, there's probably a link out there somewhere that'll give you a better price. So I don't know. Just kind of Google it and see. So there you go. All right. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and we will see you next time. Bye.